Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started the series of learning the similar sound of Arabic letters. In our previous video, I told you about the groups where the letters are confused because of their sounds. We discussed these different groups. Now we have started practice. In this video, we will start practice between the letter Hamza and Ain. Hamza and Ain actually both have a sound, so it's quite mixing for the beginners. In this video, we will do the practice so we can pronounce and read Arabic perfectly. Here we have write some words. In this video, you will learn how the difference of the letter, mixing the letter can make a new word. For example, it's a first word, it's Imara. Here in Imara, the first letter is Hamza. First letter is Hamza, and just we replace the letter Hamza with Ain in the here second word. It's Imara, and the rest of the word is the same. You can see Mim Alif Raha. Mim Alif Raha. Just the one letter we place one here with Hamza, here with Ain. A new word is made. So you see, only bus just mixing the letters, we are unconsciously making the new word in Arabic. When we just pronouncing Imara, 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 we are not know, we don't know what we are pronouncing exactly. Is it Imara with Hamza or Imara with Ain? So be careful about it, and so do watch this video carefully so you can learn it, but do practice also along with me. So this is Imara, E. As I told in my previous video also, Hamza make a straight sound, Imara, and Ain is bending and soft sound, Imara. As Ain is pronounced from the middle of the throat, it make a soft sound, Imara is means apartment, but Imara means Emirates. It's Emirates, it's apartment. Just by one letter, the words are changed. Here's the second word. The first letter is his Hamza, Alam, and here's Ain, Alam, 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 Alam. Rest the letters are the same, you can see, but new words are made because of the presence of a new letter. Alam, 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 Alam. For alam, it is pain. It is used for pain, and alam is flag. You see, here the change of one letter make a new word, which is quite opposite in their meaning. Pain and flag. Imar is Emirates, and Imar is apartment. Let's come to the third word. It's su'al. The center word here, it is Hamza. Su'al, su'al. And it is su'al, su'al. The su'al is a question. The meaning of su'al is a question. And the su'al is a kaf. Quite different meanings. Su'al, straight sound. Su'al, kaf. The fourth word is ibrah. First letter is Hamza, ibrah. And here the first letter is Ain, ibrah. Actually, it is like this. Ibrah. Ibrah is a needle, and ibrah is a lesson. Lesson means the lesson we teach from something, from our experience, and from our something when we learn from something. That's lesson. It's not a lesson of a chapter of our studies. This lesson is what we learn from our life, from our experience, what we learn. And this needle. That last word is Ra'ai. Ra'ai, the central letter is Hamza. Ra'ai. And it is Ra'ai. Ra'ai. Ra'ai means to see. It's a verb to see. Ra'ai is to God. Both are verb. You see, but the meaning is changed. It is to see, it is to God. So you see, in this way, if we are not learning exactly the similar sound of the Arabic alphabets, how we can make big blunders when we are unconsciously reading, saying the words, for example, su'al, su'al, or su'al, what it is, and we mix in rather not we are pronouncing hamza and not exactly the ain, a middle letter, just like in our own language, swal, swal, swal. So we can't tell the Arabic natives what we are telling them. Is it question or a cuff? So, it is a must for a learner to understand this difference. It is enough for today. In my next videos, I will inshallah discuss one by one each group with these examples, and I've told you what is the difference of the meanings it created only by mixing the letters. So, do subscribe my channel and visit my site. You will learn a lot, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.